Hello everyone, Muhammad Nadeem Aftab is here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be giving you a tutorial on how to install Python and get started with programming. Whether you are a complete beginner, intermediate learner, or an experienced programmer, this is the perfect place to start to gain more knowledge about Python and data science. First, we will be covering the basics of installing Python on your computer. I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to download and install Python on both Windows and Mac operating systems. Next, I'll be introducing you to different integrated development environments, which we called IDEs, that you can use to write and run your Python code. We will be discussing different IDEs like IDLE, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook, and many more. And I'll be sharing my personal recommendation based on your requirements. But what if you don't have access to computer or you don't want to go through the hassle of installing Python? Don't worry, because I have got you covered. I have a solution for you. I'll also be showing how to learn Python through your web browser, even on your smartphone or tablets. With this tutorial, you will have all the tools you need to get started with programming in Python. So whether you are looking to build a career in data science or just want to learn a new skills, this is the perfect video for you. Make sure to watch until the end for all the tips and tricks you need to know. Thanks for watching and let's get started. Okay guys, here we go. Let's start to install the Python. In Google, you can write python.org and you will find this link. Click on this one, then click on the downloads. Now if you go down, you will see there is a different versions available. There is a previous versions issued and with the release date. So I recommend you to go with the latest one. Click on download. Once it's downloading completed, then run the installation of this one. I have already installed, but I will just run to update it. Now it's installing. It will take some time. Hello. Once it's installing, you will see the setup was successful message. Then close it. And now you have already installed the Python. For you, might be there will be different step will come for to press the next. Just press it and complete the installation wizard. And once it's done, then go to the window command and just press write IDLE. If you will write IDLE, then you will see IDLE Python 3.11. It will be there. Just click on this one. So this is the IDE. Default IDE comes with the Python. So here I will next introduce different IDs and what they are and how to use them. And for this one, I'll just introduce you the first coding command, which is a print. Other syntax will be I will be introducing in different video. So let's write our first code. Print brackets. We will write a traditional program, which is hello world. And press enter. Here it goes. So first line is our code command, then second is the output of this one. So it goes. So this is the ID as a come default with the Python. You can this is a tool menu bar. You can see, then press on the file, then you see the different items on edit, shell, debug, options. You have this one, you can go through. So this is the how we will install the Python, and we can now let's see what is IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a software application actually that which helps the programmers to write the code efficiently. It increases the capabilities and make it easy for writing the codes and building more big projects, testing them, and it's a easy to use application. There are different IDs available. We will see which can be used and for the Python. First one is IDLE, which I just introduced while installing the Python. That comes as a default IDE. This IDE is a default IDE for the Python, and it's a good one for the beginners. This can be used with the Mac operating system or Windows or even with the Linux, and it's a free. The most notable feature for this IDE is it has the ability to search for multiple files. It has an interactive interpreter with the syntax highlighting. It has a smart indenting, and it's very good for debugging. Second one is PyCharm. This is widely used by the professionals, and it has two versions. Community version is free and professional version is premium. And the most notable feature of PyCharms are it supports JavaScript, CSS, and TypeScript. It has a smart code navigation. It supports features like accessing database directly from IDE, and it's quick and safe coding. And next one comes Visual Studio Code. This is open source and free, and it's created by the Microsoft. It is a good to use for Python development. It's a lightweight and it has powerful features. The most important, it's free. The most notable feature of Visual Studio Code includes it has best smart code completion. It has a Git integration. It has got code debugging within the editor. Most importantly, it provides an extension to add additional features like code linting, themes, and other services. Next comes Sublime Text 3. This is very popular code editor. This is also free. It supports many languages, including Python. It is highly customizable and also offers fast development speeds and reliability. The most notable feature of Sublime Text 3 includes syntax highlighting. User can customize their commands. It has an efficient project directory management. It also supports additional packages for web and scientific Python development. Next one comes Atoms. Atom is also open source, and this is developed by the GitHub, and it supports Python development. It's almost similar to like a Sublime Text and provides almost the same feature. It's also free. The most notable features of Atom includes it supports a lot of large number of plugins, smart auto completion. It supports custom commands for the user to interact with the editor. It also has a cross-platform development. Next comes the Jupyter. Jupyter one is the one which is widely used for the data science, and this is the one which we will be using also for data science. It's easy to use. interactive, and allow live code sharing and visualization. The most importantly, it is also free. Most notable feature of Jupyter are its supports for the numerical calculation and machine learning workflows. It combines code, text, and images for greater user experience. It also has integration of data science libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Next one comes the Spider. Spider is also open source IDE, and also this is used commonly used for the scientific development. Spider comes with Anaconda distribution. I'll let you know what is the Anaconda and how we can install it in coming video. This is the also popular for data science and machine learning. This is also free. The most notable feature for Spider includes its support for automatic code completion and splitting. It also supports different types of charts and data manipulation. It has an integration of data science libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. PyDev is strong Python interpreter, and it is distributed as a third-party plugin for Eclipse IDE. It's flexible. It is one of the preferred open source IDE by the developers. It is also free. The most notable feature of PyDev are it has a Django integration, auto code completion, and code coverage. It supports type hinting, refactoring, as well as debugging and code analysis. It got good support for Python development, web development. Next one comes the Thony. Thony is an IDE ideal for teaching and learning Python program. It's also free. The most notable features are it has a simple debugger. It has a function evaluation, automatic syntax error detection. It also got detailed view of variables used in Python program or project. Now question is what is recommended? It depends all on your requirement. For data science, the most recommended one is Spider, Jupyter Note, PyCharm Professional. So here most of the time we will be using the Jupyter Notebook. For web development, VS Code and PyCharm Professional, which is paid. VS Code is free. For scripting, Atom, PyDevelop, Sublime Text 3, PyCharm Community version, which is free. Now next is I will show you how to install Anaconda. When we will install Anaconda, it will install automatically multiple IDs with it. So you just write Anaconda. You see Anaconda download. You can click on this one. Then you will go Anaconda distribution. Just download it and install it. Just run the installation wizard and complete it. Once you install it, go your window, just write Anaconda and you see this one and press enter. Once you will open it and then you will have this page will come. Now you can see there are different IDs already installed with the Python. It will also install the Python and different IDs. You can see data spell is there, command prompt is there, Jupyter Lab is there, Jupyter Notebook is there, PowerShell prompt is there, Spider, VS Code even is there. So even it got multiple other options available within it. So what we are interested, we can use either Jupyter Lab, we can use Jupyter Notebook, we can use Spider, we can use VS Code. So here we will be normally using Jupyter Notebook. I'll let you know how it works. Just press on. Once you press the launch, it will open this page. So there is a different files which I have been working. So you can go into the new and then press Python 3. Here we goes. So let's write our first code here. For running, you can just press this run or again press the shift enter. So it will print out. So Jupyter Notebook, you see there is a menu which got file, edit, view, insert. Then you can click on this one. You can save your this work, and then you can look into different other commands, insert cells, kernel, how to run. If you will see here, if you want to run the cells, control enter. If you want to run the cells, all cells and selected row, and you can press shift enter. If you run cells and insert another row, then even you can press alt enter. So there is a shortcut keys available. So I recommend you to install the Anaconda. If you will install the Anaconda, so you will have the Python automatically installed, and along with this one, you will have a different IDs installed, which way you can use it. Okay. The next one comes if you don't have a computer or you don't want to install any application inside your computer, but still you want to learn the Python, how can you do it? Yes, you can still learn the Python without installing in your computer. So I'll tell you the two way to do it. So first of all is code sculptor. Just write the code sculptor. You see, once you write code sculptor, it will show you code sculptor 3. Click on this one. Open this one, and here we go. So you have one code editor window here where you will write the codes, and here is the output window. On the left side, you have run, reset. So you can save your work. Once you save your work, there will be a link. That link you can keep with you, and your work is saved. So let's run our traditional command. And then if you will press the run, here it printed. Here we goes. So this is very easy to use, and this is very simple, and this will help you to learn the Python without installing it, and it has all the basic commands. For the documentation, you can go in the docs. It got all the documents here, and you can go through. If you need help, you can look into these documents. It will help you out. Okay, the next one without installing Python to learn comes Jupyter Notebook again. Just write Jupyter Notebook and click on the Jupyter Notebook. But this time we will not install it. So what we will do, we will just try it in the browser. So you can go in any one of this one. We will go with this classic notebook interface, and either you can go with the next generation notebook interface. So we will click on this one. Then press on the Jupyter Lab. It opens up this window. Again, you have a menu. You can see here, you can save your work, and you can run all this one. Let's open the new one. It's asking which one you want to use, Python, SQLite. So let's go with the Python. You see, it's open with the untitled. You can rename it. Let's run our traditional first code. Just press the shift enter again, and it will print out. Either you can even run from here or just press the shift enter. And this way you can complete your tutorials using the Jupyter Notebook through the web browser. Okay, yes, congratulations. You have just completed the tutorial on how to install Python, choose the right IDE for your needs, and even learn Python without installing it on your computer. I hope that this video has been helpful in getting you started on your journey to become a proficient Python programmer. Remember, Python is an incredibly versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide variety of applications, from data analysis to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Whether you are looking to build your own projects or simply learn a new skill, programming with Python is a fantastic way to do it. I encourage you to keep learning and exploring this exciting field and to never stop challenging yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.